In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to a LinkedIn profile. If you want to showcase your work directly on LinkedIn, adding your portfolio is a great way to make your profile more professional and more engaging. It gives visitors a quick way to see examples of what you do, whether that's design work, writing, case studies, presentations, or other project samples. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add your portfolio using either a link or a document upload inside the featured section of your profile. To get started, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. This is the main profile page where you can view and edit your professional information. Once you're there, look for the Add Section button near the top of your profile and click on it. A menu will open with different options for expanding your profile. From that menu, click on Recommended. This section includes profile features that LinkedIn suggests to help improve visibility and presentation. Next, choose Add Featured. The featured section is where you can highlight content you want people to notice right away. This is typically one of the best places to display a portfolio because it stands out clearly on your profile. After that, click on the plus icon next to featured. This will open the options for the type of content you want to add. If your portfolio exists online, click on Add a Link. Then click into the field, paste your portfolio link, and continue by clicking Add and then Save. This option works especially well if your portfolio is hosted on a personal website, Behance, Dribbble, Google Drive, or another online platform that's easy to access. If you'd rather upload the portfolio directly as a file, there's another option. Click on the plus icon again in the featured area. This time choose Add a Document. From there, upload the file you want to use as your portfolio. This is useful if you have a PDF portfolio, presentation deck, or a polished sample document that you want people to view without leaving LinkedIn. As a quick tip, make sure whatever you add is clean, up-to-date, and easy to understand at a glance. Since this section is often one of the first things recruiters, clients, or employers notice, it's worth choosing your strongest work. And that's it. Once your portfolio is added, it will appear in the featured section of your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for people to see your work and learn more about what you can do